welcome to a new vlog. It is Monday 24th of April. Hope you enjoyed this week's vlog. If you do, don't forget to hit the thumbs up down below because it really helps me out. And if you're new, don't forget to join my family. Hit that subscribe button and change that notification bell to all so you don't miss any of my future videos. So jumping straight in, it's currently 8 a.m. Yeah, it's 8 a.m. right now. It's actually quite stormy here at the moment. It was raining all night last night. Yesterday was actually quite hot, and then yeah, today it's back to stormy. So yeah, it's quite a nice day. We've got all the doors, windows open, letting the fresh air through the house. I've got a busy morning this morning. I need to do some tidying up, so I'll probably bring you guys along on a time lapse for that. So I've also need to go to the post office. I need to post some stuff that I sold on Depop and a return as well. I've got a bunch of new items on Depop, so if you are interested in any plus size clothing, definitely check out my link that's in the description down below. Yeah, I think I've got about 60 items up now or something, so yeah, there's a lot to choose from there. And it ranges in sizes as well. I think it goes from like a size 16 to a size 26, so yeah, quite a big range of sizing. I've got chiro today, and I also have run out of my medication for my endo, the one that keeps me in my chemical menopause, so I have to go and get that today. I cannot not get it because otherwise I won't be able to have any tonight. So yes, I've got a busy day planned today, so I will bring you along. I do plan on also filming if I can. I would like to film 2 different looks, so I was thinking if I can get all my cleaning done, film a video, go do all my errands, come back, take the makeup off and redo another makeup look and maybe film again, but we'll see what happens.
You said that I'm really fucking boring. Well, that's rich coming from you. 'Cause when you
Hey guys, quick check-in. It is Wednesday 26th of April. It's currently 9 a.m. I am just waiting for my friend at the pools. We're going to go swimming this morning. I've got Cairo this afternoon as well. And if I get a chance today, I want to film another video. And I also need to edit the one that I filmed on Monday. I don't think I did a check-in to say that I did a look and I filmed a video, so yeah. Yesterday I wasn't feeling too good. I thought I was getting what Morgan had on Monday afternoon. I started getting quite sick, and then all day yesterday I just wasn't feeling great. But I've woken up feeling pretty good today. All I've done is had some honey lemon tea. Yesterday that's like basically all I drank instead of water. And then I also had some Armour Force, like I doubled the dosage. So yeah, I'm feeling much better today, so happy about that. But yeah, I'm about to go into the pools. I'm wearing my Calypsa by Lottie swimwear, so I've got this palm top and then my they're like legging pants. I will add my code on the screen because I did make sure that I still have one active. It's not a affiliate code, it's just a discount code for you guys. So if you guys want to check out the swimwear, then definitely check them out. I absolutely love them, and I have like I think 4 sets from them now, and yeah, absolutely love them. This one has definitely got to be one of my favorite ones. I love how like bright and colorful it is. So yeah. This morning I did get up at like 4 a.m. So I've been awake for ages. I've cleaned the house already and everything. So yeah, it's been a busy morning already. I know that I'm going to be extremely tired later on. Ooh, I think my friend just arrived, so I'm going to go and head off to swimming. Anyways, I will chat to you guys later. Bye guys.
And when it's your turn, don't feel sorry for anyone. Go straight savage. Then tell them to stay strong like you had to.
Hey guys, welcome to Friday 28th of April. Just thought I'd do a quick check-in. I've just been swimming with my friend. I got changed there because it is cold here. Someone's getting in the car next to me, that's awkward. Yeah, I'm about to head home. It's currently 11 a.m. We got here at 9 o'clock. We just had a quick coffee afterwards. Yeah, heading home. I have some bookkeeping work to do this afternoon for Morgan's business, sorry. So yeah, I've got that. His mum's gonna come over and help me with it because we've been trying to get some codes from a company and they're just giving me the runaround. So she's gonna see if she can help at all. So yeah, that's my plan for this afternoon. If I do get time and we finish early enough, I do want to wash my hair and then try and film a video or two. Otherwise I will do that tomorrow. I did edit a video this morning, so I'm going to put that up sometime today. As soon as I get the chance I will do that. Actually I might try and upload it whilst I'm driving home. I'm just using my mobile data. But yeah, I thought I'd just do a quick check-in. I will chat to you guys later. Bye guys.
Look down, you're talking to your...
It's come to my attention that you don't know who I am.
Look down, you're talking to your highness.
Hey guys, quick check-in. It is Sunday the 30th of April today. It's currently 6:30 p.m. Just sitting down relaxing a little bit. I washed the bedding today, did a bunch of washing, a few chores around the house, etc. Not feeling the greatest day. My pain's actually quite bad today, and I'm not too sure why, because yesterday wasn't a massive day. I filmed and went to the dog park yesterday. The mother-in-law also took the dogs for a walk, did some shopping, but it's normally the amount that I did yesterday wouldn't leave me in the amount of pain that I'm in today. So yeah, not too sure why I'm in so much pain today. But yeah, I'm just feeling exhausted and sore today, so I've sort of taken it easy and just, yeah, did house chores and watched some YouTube and stuff. I worked on my planner for next week because the next few weeks are absolutely crazy. So I'm going to end out the vlog here. I think I'm going to try and edit and get it up on Tuesday again because I've got busy Wednesday next week. So if I can try and get it up on Tuesday, then I don't have to stress about getting it up on Wednesday. So yeah, I'm gonna end it out here. I hope you guys enjoyed this week's vlog. If you did, don't forget to hit the thumbs up down below because it really helps me out. And if you're new, don't forget to join my family, hit that subscribe button and choose that notification bell to all so you don't miss any of my future videos. And as always, thanks for watching, guys. Bye.